Hey, stay in the car. Drop the knife. Give me the air. Clarksville Pike, 3236. He's got a knife. Get out of the car! Get out of the car! Drop the knife! Drop the knife!
What are you doing?
Dude, what are you doing? Drop the knife! I don't want to shoot you!
Stop!
I don't want to shoot you!
Stop!
Hey, give me some cars up here. He's got a knife. Give me some cars. He's got a knife. Drop it! 13 shots fired. Give me some cars up here. Clarksville Pike just past Buena Vista. Hey, stay over there! Stay over there! Dude, what are you doing, man? Come on! I did not want to have to do that.